How to remove Instagram from Account Center. Removing Instagram account from Account Center is quite easy and simple. Launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account. Tap Profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. On this profile feed, select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings and Privacy. Choose Account Center at top of the screen. Now on this section, scroll a bit down and choose Accounts. Choose the account you want to remove from Account Center. Tap Remove button. Now select Remove Account. Tap Continue. And if you are confirmed, select Yes. Once you are done with that, you will successfully remove Instagram from Account Center.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.